Hello farmers, if you're out there and you are an organic poultry farmer and you like to learn how to make your own organic feeds, in this video I'm going to show you that, and this feeds is for your growers chickens. So here we go. So when you're making your feeds, the feeds usually has to contain 5 major components. It has to contain the proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. So in this 5 components of feeds, I'm going to show you each specific amount on what you're supposed to add so that you can make your own organic feeds for your growers chicken. So, and some of you may not know what age is the growers chicken. If you know, please comment below. We want to see if you guys know what is a growers chicken, and I'll pin my answer after 1 hour after this video has been released in the comment section. You can go and check it if you don't know already. So for the proteins, it can either be fish, and this fish, it has to be the whole fish, and it can be the internal organs, the gills, the shells, or it can also be the soybean or the mung bean and so on. And these components, either plant source or animal source, they have to be dried so that the feeds can be durable, or they can have a very long shelf life. And for the proteins, we have to add 18% of the feeds, and that means that if you are making 100 kilograms of feed, you're going to add 18 kilograms of the protein source. And for the lipids, I forgot to say that proteins is what is going to be used for growth and development and repair of cells. And the lipids and fats, this you can source them from coconut meat, vegetable oil and fish oil. And this here you're going to add 7 kilograms of this fat or lipids. Yeah. So, and the other one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, usually this is where the chicken gets all the energy to move around, to eat. And in this you're going to divide it into 2 parts. You have the rice bran and the corn bran. For the rice bran, we are only adding 30% of the carbohydrates, and corn bran 70%. And for this, we are going to add rice bran 19.5 kilograms of rice bran, and corn bran is 70 kilogram of, or 70% of that carbohydrate. It is 45.5 kilograms. And remember that you are making feeds for 100 kilograms of these organic feeds for your growers chicken. So also for the vitamins, we have the fermented fruit juices, and the FPJ is the fermented plant juices. And me ask yourself, what are these exactly? So I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. We have the fermented, and you can see here on my browser we have the fermented fruit juices and the fermented plant juices. I'm going to drop a link below whereby you can go and learn how to make your own. For example, if for this link, I'm going to drop this link here. I'm going to click visit, and then I'm going to share with you this link in the comment section below so you can know how to make the fermented fruit juices and the fermented fruit juices. Yeah, how to make fermented fruit juices and fermented plant juices. So yeah, I'll put in this comment, this on the description of this video. Also on the mineral parts of it, we're supposed to add minerals so that the 5 components can be all together. And this is, you're going to add the salts, the carbonized rice husk or hull, carbonized rice hull, or dried soil, or calcium. And this you're going to add 5 kilograms. Also remember, for the vitamins also is 5 kilograms, and that will make 100 kilograms of feed. So I'm going to to show you this so that maybe you can screenshot. Yeah, you can now screenshot, and you can see it has all the major 5 components that's supposed to be there in for feeds. So I hope that this video is going to help you if you're an organic chicken farmer out there and you can make your own feeds. And this content is sourced from the Department of Agriculture from the Philippines. I found this this PDF very, very helpful. Also, it has other type of material that you can go out there and learn how to choose the best chick, healthy chick, how to brood your chicks organically, how to manage your chicks organically, the feeds, because you just did the feeds, the equipment that you're going to require, bedding material, protective, all this aspect of ether harvesting. And if you would like to access this PDF, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. It is also in the description of this video, and I'll come and send it to you as soon as possible. So I hope that this video on about organic feeds for your chickens is going to help you significantly, and see you on the next one.